Attorney on the Morton team is not part of the Innocence Project. He's a civil trial lawyer from Houston who has worked 7 years on the Morton case for free. John Raley sat down today with our Shannon Wolfson.
There have been many miracles in this case.
John Raley believes in miracles, and he'll tell you himself he's a faithful man.
Now, I've always felt that there was a greater power looking over this case and encouraging us to not quit, to keep fighting.
The 7-year fight to prove Michael Morton's innocence led to a special friendship.
How about a steak? You like steak? My first free will meal.
Raley was there for this celebratory dinner, Michael's first as a free man.
The first night we went to dinner, he had a metal knife and a fork, and he hadn't held one in 25 years. He wasn't quite sure if he knew how to do it.
It's one of the many things John Raley has watched his friend learn anew.
Michael Morton is one of the best men I've ever known. He lost his soulmate, his college sweetheart, the mother of his child, and then his son was taken from him.
Raley says that's the greatest tragedy in the Morton case, and as a father himself, it drove him to keep fighting.
There were times when we almost gave in to despair. The fight was so hard to get DNA testing.
But the fight was fruitful, and that DNA testing Raley fought so hard for led to Michael Morton's freedom after almost 25 years in prison.
Michael has requested that we try to do all we can to keep this from happening to other innocent people. And so that has been our mission.
It's a mission, he says, he'll follow through to the end, to uncover why evidence that could have set Michael Morton free wasn't shared with defense attorneys all those years ago.
Well, I think the most important thing is that lessons be learned from this. I think everyone agrees that our system should seek to make sure that we don't arrest and charge and convict innocent people.
One more thing I can say for officially, I will never tell another lawyer joke.
I know for him it has been in many ways a spiritual journey. We've been blessed to work on this case, and we've been blessed to get to know Michael Morton.
An interesting note tonight about John Raley. Before the Morton case, he had never tried a criminal case in his 25-plus year career. Live in the studio, Shannon Wolfson, KXAN News.